Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering and priming the Nugget Ice Maker so it produces clean, dense ice. First, place the unit on a level surface and plug it into a grounded outlet. This prevents pump strain and electrical issues. Next, fill the reservoir to the max line with potable water. Filtered water reduces mineral buildup. Once done, switch the machine on and run the initial purge or cleaning cycle. This clears manufacturing residues and primes the pump, so ice formation begins reliably. Now you optimize the production rate and ice quality by adjusting settings and maintaining conditions. Set the machine to a high production or fast mode when ambient temps are warm. It shortens freeze cycles and increases output. Make sure the incoming water temperature is around 50 degrees to 70 degrees F, because colder water freezes faster and yields clearer nuggets. Also keep vents unobstructed to prevent compressor overheating. Once you see a 20% drop in output, descale the system to restore efficiency and consistent nugget size. Finish by harvesting and storing ice properly, and know the key troubleshooting steps if things go wrong. When the bin is full, scoop ice gently so you don't jam the auger. Avoid overfilling, which halts production. If nuggets are hollow or soft, make sure water quality is good, run a sanitized cycle, and descale. Mineral buildup disrupts freezing. If no ice forms, check power and water supply first, then ensure the thermostat and compressor have proper airflow. These steps quickly identify common faults.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.